verify what issues are going on with this particular device and possibly fix this. And the thing with this device is it's so loaded with features that I am a bit hesitant to actually open it. So my hope is that for some strange reason this thing works perfectly. This will not be the first time that has happened to me though, if it does work perfectly. Okay, so it looks like the cassette just falls in like that, and then the cover just goes on top like that. Fingers crossed. Well, it's playing. Just stopped. Let's see again. Stopped. So it plays and then it stops. Okay, and there's no sound. So let's try playing this again. The other side of this tape, that is. It just stops. Okay, so it could be from my initial thoughts. I think what could be going on here is a little bit of a sensor issue. Let's see if it rewinds. Okay, it rewinds. Okay, that's good. Stop. Does it forward? Okay, it does forward. Okay, so that's good. Oh, it stops. Auto stops. Okay, so something is going on that's causing this to auto stop. It looks like something is triggering it to shut off. So that's why I feel like I could actually open this up and maybe clean the sensors, and then this should work pretty okay. I've done some research and I have found out that the problem could lie with this counter over here, this counter mechanism, because when you press play, the counter is supposed to move. However, you notice that it's struggling to move. It doesn't move. And there may be a connection between that and the auto stop system, which this device actually is a feature of this device. So it's causing the sensor for some reason to stop when it's not supposed to, because it's detecting the tape not moving or something of that nature. So there may be something physically blocking this, or there could be a belt that needs to be changed. So my goal today is to open this thing up and to investigate to see if I can fix it. Hopefully I can without any drama. So let's do that. What I'm really concerned about is the counter, which is on this side here. So now what I'm gonna do is just play around a bit and see what I can do. Just pay attention to how it starts. I see what's going on, guys. I think I see exactly what's going on. Pay attention, guys, to this side here. When you press the play button, this roller comes and touches this capacitor, and then it blocks the roller from rotating. This is a roller that connects to the counter. That's what actually makes the counter rotate. So pay attention. Did you see that? It's blocked, and then it basically disconnects the tape, and then it resets. Pay attention once more. See that screw? So what's going on is that screw is out of place, or something is on it. Oh, there's debris. It looks like debris. So there was debris that was causing that roller to be blocked in place. So let's try it one more time. See? Fixed. Now the roller moves, the counter moves. This thing is now playing without that issue. Amazing. Simply amazing. Okay, so it plays, and now there's a different problem now. There's no sound. So I have to figure that out. I'm gonna do some research on this problem, and then I'll see what I can do.
I like to be educated, but
now there's a portion of the board right here which looks like there was some leakage on the board. I'm not sure what it was from. There was some residue there. Okay, so I'm happy to report some breakthrough. You know, like I told you guys, I'm not a professional at this stuff, but every now and then this is actually maybe like the third time this has happened. When I try to play with the contacts, I probably should not be doing that because I could blow a fuse or whatever. But every now and then when I'm desperate, I try to like touch these contacts to see if I could get a response. And what I did was I touched, there's a contact right here. Check it out, guys. When I join these two, it works. Even the VU meter is indicated, and it also responds to the volume. See? It responds to the volume control as well. Nice. So I guess if I join these two, if I solder these two together, I will be able to have sound. So all is not lost. Isn't that ridiculous, guys? So I think what I'm probably doing is I'm shunting the connection somehow, and even when I connect with the headphone and I do the same thing. Oh, that's perfect. The sound is actually good, guys. Wow. So the sound is actually perfect, guys. Right there. So that's coming from the headphone, and that's very loud and clear and perfect. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is solder these two together, and I should have a working unit. So what I'm gonna do is take this out now, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And that would be hopefully an easy fix that doesn't like destroy this whole thing. So these are the two that need to be soldered together. I think I've done that, so let's see if this plays. And look, the VU meter also works. So that's a good thing. Now, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna check if the battery indicator still works. And it works. Look at that. When I press this, the battery indicator stays on. So this is great, guys. I'm not sure what I've done wrong by joining those two terminals. But so far I don't think it's doing any major damage. that's it, guys. So now this is fully put together. Now to do the final test. So the counter is moving nicely. Good speed. And this should be turning on. Just like that. And pay attention to the VU meter. It's working. And the volume works. Wow. So guys, this was quite the experience, I must say. I am so excited because you know what? I have a working device here. That was that was crazy how I was able to fix it. I cannot believe it, guys. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it because it's true. I cannot believe that I've been able to fix this without replacing any parts, really. And now this is playing perfectly. It sounds really amazing with the headphones. I mean, don't be fooled by this little speaker here. When you connect the headphones, it sounds amazing, like just really rich sound. And all the controls seem to work. In another episode, I will certainly be testing out the record function. I don't see why it wouldn't work. So let's see if I do a forward cue or rewind cue. See if that works. Yeah, perfect. Wow, I can't believe I fixed this. I fixed this. Wow.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out.